what's going on everyone? How you doing today? Today we're going to check out a fingerprint deadbolt for your house. Right now I have a simple quick set deadbolt that you just type in the code. Very easy to use, but not as easy as simply putting your finger on it and it opening for you. It's supposed to open it up in under half a second, and it's a 360-degree fingerprint scanner, so you can even, do it on the side or something. Just quickly touch it if you have groceries or your hands are full. It's gonna make it a lot easier to open up your deadbolt. Now you can share this with others. You can add other fingerprints. With this adapter here, you can give it Wi-Fi and you can send codes to your friends and family. You can unlock this from your phone anywhere in the world, basically, as long as you're on Wi-Fi or have a connection. And I was pretty interested in trying this out because I've always wanted a fingerprint deadbolt. So we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna show you how it looks installed, and I'll give you my honest review on this and tell you if I think it's worth it, or if you should just stick with like the $100 quick set that you just type in the code and then it gets you into your house. Now my quick set connects to my alarm. So when I hit the code in my deadbolt, it'll automatically disarm. And then when I leave the house and lock it, it'll automatically arm the deadbolt. And this has that technology built into it too. So let's see what you get. This is just the little access point. It's called a bridge. You simply plug this into an outlet within, I think it's at 10 feet of the deadbolt, and it's gonna communicate with it, and then you can use it anywhere basically in the world. So very easy, just plug and play on that. Then this connects to your phone via Bluetooth. Let's take a look and see what you get in the box. Here's a little bit more info real quick. If you wanna go ahead and pause it, you can read a little bit more about this. Just runs off 4 AA batteries. And as you can see, you can manage the users, share your code, have a record of how often it was locked and unlocked. And then I like this feature too. I don't think that my quick set has this. Basically, every time you close the door, it's gonna automatically lock. So I like that feature. I always make sure my doors are locked. And if you ever forget, it's gonna lock behind you. And I believe this has, I'll let you know when I edit this video and get done with it and test it, but I believe this has the technology that it'll even know when you get home. And before you even get to the door, it's gonna unlock it. So I believe it pairs with your phone, and if it senses your phone, you have that feature on, it'll just automatically unlock. You won't even have to worry about the deadbolt, which is kind of nice. Let's check out what you get. Here's the installation guide and everything. Tell you what I think about the looks of it and everything. Nice heavy metal, feels like it's good build quality. Plastic there covering up the battery pack, but that's very common. 4 AA batteries there. I think it's a good looking back plate there. Let's see how the front looks that everybody can actually see. Looks nice and simple. There's your keypad, and hopefully the fingerprint scanner works really good on this. That's what this is all about. Just walk up, put your finger on it, within a half of a second, it's supposed to unlock and give you access to your house. So a nice sleek design, because the fingerprint scanner here, usually that's where the keyhole would be. So to access the keyhole, you just push on the bottom here. This whole thing will flip down and that'll give you access to the actual keyhole. Of course, you get physical keys and all the hardware to install it. It even includes the batteries, which is really nice. A lot of companies do not include them. And that's something that, say you get this delivered and you don't have batteries at your house, you're simply not gonna be able to use it. So that's always nice. It even comes with a screwdriver. That's really cool. Another thing that is rarely you get in a package. Here's all the hardware, and then of course the deadbolt itself. Okay, I didn't even realize this comes with the Ultraloq bridge. So for this particular model, I'll put the link down in the description for you guys if you're interested. This one actually comes with a Wi-Fi bridge. I didn't realize that it came with it, so I had them send me this optional one. But it's good to see that that's included. And that's all that's in there. Very simple. Seems like very good quality. I'll definitely give you my honest opinion whenever I'm done installing it and after I show you the demo of how to use it. But it looks like it comes with everything you need, including even a screwdriver. Should be a very simple install since I already have a deadbolt. So I'll get this installed for you guys. So let me go ahead and get this installed, and then I'll show you how it operates. All right, guys, here's the process. I just got the thing installed, inserted the batteries. Very easy to install. It took maybe 5 to 8 minutes because I already had a deadbolt, and it's pretty easy to install once you have one. So basically, you connect this app. It's just U-Tech. And then it'll automatically find your deadbolt. So it's the U-Bolt Pro. Let's click on that. Okay, so I'm going to make an admin code real quick. Tell it what door it's on. I don't know why you would need a picture of it. Make sure it's in locked position, which it is. Okay, I got the left side one. And there we have it, installed and connected. And don't worry, in a minute I'll show you a video of how it looks, and we'll do testing, and I'll show you how easy and then how quickly the fingerprint works. So as you can see, we have it here. I'm going to click on it, showing that it's locked. Should just be able to touch this and it'll unlock. You should be able to hear it. So very cool. That's simple with Bluetooth. All right, now you can add fingerprints, key code, password, and then even the smartphone app, which will let other people basically get through your door with their smartphone if you give them the correct code and everything. So let me go ahead and set up the rest of this, see how easy it is or hard. So I'm going to go ahead and set up one of my fingerprints. Make sure your finger and your fingerprint reader are clean and dry. All right, I'm going to add the fingerprint now. It's very simple. You literally touch it 6 times there, and you're good to go. I'm going to go get my son and get his fingerprint on there. Be right back. I'm going to have my son record his now. I simply just touch it and lift up 6 times. It'll tell you when to go. You don't have to push super hard. And then kind of change the way you hold it. Yeah, like twist it. There you go. There you go. And now your fingerprint's in there, and you don't have to enter the code no more if it works as it should. Thank you. Yeah. All right, password. I'm going to go ahead and enter a code. All right, I went ahead and added a code. Then smartphone app access. Basically, it takes you to a screen where you can enter an email address, and it'll send that to, like, say, your friend or whoever. They'll open up the phone app, and that'll give them access to the lock, which is cool. All right, guys, so that's the app. Super easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and get the video now of me working this, and we'll see how well it works. And then I'll give you my overall yay or nay, and if I would recommend this to you guys. All right, guys, got it installed. I think it looks pretty good. Good looking unit. And to lock it, you just simply hit this Ultraloq button. And that's going to lock it, of course. And then you can either enter the code, or let's see how well this fingerprint works. Hopefully it works really good. Yeah, there you have it. That easy. I like that a lot, because a lot of times I'll be carrying groceries, and you know, you got 4 bags of groceries. It's hard to wobble it and hit the code right because the weight of the, you know what you guys know what I mean if you have one of these. So when you have a bags of groceries, you can just go. I like it. That is very cool. That's the second time I've ever used it. The fingerprint so far has been flawless, not a problem whatsoever. And based off what I've done so far, guys, I like it a lot. I really, really like the fingerprint scanner. I do have another one of these to set up on another door. If you guys want to see anything specific about that one, or if you want me to show you installing it, please let me know in the comments and I'll do that for you guys. And see, there's that automatic lock. So you could just leave your house and not even push that button. I think it's within 15 to 20 seconds there. It'll automatically lock and you never have to worry about this door being unlocked. I really like that. So once again, let's see how easy. There we go. I must say, guys, I love it. So right now, this is all connected through Bluetooth. That's why my phone's paired to it and everything. So this does come with the Wi-Fi bridge that I showed you on the unboxing. So you literally just plug this into your wall. And I'll show you how to set that up in another video if you guys would like to see that. All right, guys, let me know in the comments what you thought. I think it works awesome. I'm very happy to own it. And I'm definitely going to be adding this onto my other door. If you guys want to see more specific stuff, once again, let me know in the comments. This should connect to my home alarm system. That way, when I lock it by hitting that button on the outside, it'll automatically arm my alarm. And then when I enter the code and come back home, it'll automatically disarm, which is huge. I think that's a must for me personally. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, once again, let me know down below. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Have an awesome holiday season, and I'll see you guys in the next one.